Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This video was originally a talk through, but you know I have microphone problems on the daily, so now it's a voiceover. This video is going to be super short because I wanted to focus on making a Instagram tutorial of this look. So if you want to see how that video came out, I will link it down below for you. I did my brows off camera really quickly, and you can see that I set my eyelids just with some concealer and then setting the concealer with some translucent powder. I'm going to prime my face using the Bobbi Brown SPF primer. I like that one a lot. It makes your skin look really glowy and really dewy, even under foundation. This foundation is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. You guys have seen me use this in previous videos. I just like it because it doesn't dry out my skin. I have really dry skin, so I like a foundation that's going to keep it hydrated and dewy looking. This is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. Again, this is really good for dry skin, especially under the eyes. It keeps everything in place there as well. I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm just picking up those two shades there and just bringing back a little bit of color to the face. Not so much contouring, just bronzing lightly. Kind of just going for a simple light spring look today. So I used this in my last video. This is the Milani Luminoso Baked Blush, and it's become one of my new favorite products. This is going all over the cheeks, on the nose, and I'm even using it as eyeshadow. So the color is just super beautiful. It's super, I don't know, just super light, I guess. I know I keep saying light, but that's just what it is, and I feel like it's perfect for springtime. And using your blush or even your bronzer as an eyeshadow just cuts the time in half, but it still makes you look like put together. I feel like everything just kind of obviously matches because it's the same product, but like I feel like no one knows that unless you tell them, you know. So using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Gleam Glow Kit, I'm using this for highlighter. I'm also highlighting under the brow just a little bit. That's gonna lift your eyes up as well. So that product is something that I can always fall back on to use for a really good highlighter. The Hourglass mascara, the Caution mascara, is something, again, one of my favorite products, and know it's something I can always fall back on, and it's going to be something really good. You know what I mean? Like this has become like a staple in my everyday routine. Just look at the length it gives your eyelashes, and it doesn't flake. It's just really nice. And here we go again, me talking about NYX lip products. This is their lip cream in the color San Paulo. It was kind of dark for what I was going for, so you'll see me put on a lighter color in a second. I will say that their cream lip products don't last as long, obviously, as their liquid lips, but it still gives a really nice color. But if you're eating or something like that, definitely go with a liquid lipstick. So I'm using this lighter shade here, putting it right on top of the one we just used and just patting it in just to kind of lighten that color a little bit. And that's going to be the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry if this felt super rushed. I just wanted to give you guys the full look on YouTube. But like I said, I will link my Instagram video down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.